Hi students, those preparing for NEET exam, this is very important for you because you need to know very nicely the syllabus. After that, whatever the books required for NEET exam is very important. Now let us see few tips. The first one, you should know the syllabus. Second one, important topic to focus on for NEET. The third one, you should have good study materials. And the next one is, you should have a timetable. So time management is very important. Next one, practice NEET sample papers and previous year's question papers. The next one, prepare own notes. And the last one, concentrate on your weaker sections. Ready? Now let us start subject wise. The topic first. Let us see first biology. In biology, we have 90 questions for 360 marks. Ready? Let's see class 11. You need to cover up the topics diversity in living world, structural organization, plants and animals, cell structure and function, plant physiology, human physiology. When you come to class 12, you need to cover up reproduction, genetics and evolution. Next one, biology and human welfare. Next one, biotechnology and its applications. And the last one, ecology and environment. Now let us see whatever the books we need to go through for biology. Ready? First one is very important, NCERT textbook class 11 and 12, because more than 70% of the questions are related with NCERT class 11 and 12 textbook. Next one, you have to go through Truman's Biology volume 1 and 2. After that, you have to go through Dinesh Objective Biology. And of course, the last one, Biology by GRB, Badla's publication. So let us see now physics. We know that 45 questions for 180 mark. Ready? Let's see in class 11, whatever the topic we need to cover up. The first one, in the case of class 11, physical world and measurement. After that, kinematics, laws of motion, work, energy and power, motion of systems of particles and rigid body, gravitation, properties of bulk matter, thermodynamics, behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory, oscillations and wave. Now let us see class 12. First one, electrostatics, current electricity. Next one, magnetic effect of current and magnetism. Next one, electromagnetic induction and alternating currents. That electromagnetic waves, optics, dual nature of matter and radiations, atoms and nuclei, and the last one, electronic devices. Let's see now what are the books we need to go through for preparing physics. First one, NCERT textbook class 11 and 12. After that, Concept of Physics by H.C. Verma. Then D.C. Pandey's Objective Physics. Then you need to go through Objective Physics by Pramod Agarwal. And of course, you need to go through Problems in General Physics by I.E. Erodov. Let's see now chemistry. 45 questions for 180 marks. Ready? So let's see class 11, the important topics. Some basic concept of chemistry, structure of atom, classification of elements and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding and molecular structure, states of matter, gases and liquids, thermodynamics, equilibrium, redox reaction, hydrogen, S-block elements, alkali and alkaline earth metals, some P-block elements, organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques, hydrocarbons, environmental chemistry. Now let us see class 12 topics. Solid state, solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, general principles and isolation of elements, P-block elements, D and F-block elements, coordination compounds, haloalkanes and halogenses, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, organic compounds containing nitrogen, biomolecules, polymers and chemistry in everyday life. Let us see the books which is required for chemistry. First one, we know that NCERT class 11 and 12 textbook. Ready? After that, you have to go through physical chemistry by O.P. Tandem, then physical chemistry by Bahadur, Organic Chemistry by O.P. Tandem, Organic Chemistry by Morrison and Boyd, Organic Chemistry Objective by Arihant. So these are the books you need to go through for chemistry. And now we understood actually the main topic and the books you required. So what you want to do? Prepare well and practice nicely. To get such videos, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and best wishes to all of you.